We start with orange juice, light extra virgin olive oil, icing sugar. Give that a good whisk until it's emulsified. Add the flour, give that another mix, and the baking powder. Divide the mixture into 2 portions. One will have cacao and give that a good mix until fully incorporated, and the other will have cinnamon. Dollop portions of the chocolate and the vanilla into a baking tray, alternating between the two. And then I use a toothpick to swirl to give a nice design on the top. And I've also got a little bit left over to make 6 mini cupcakes. The cupcakes will need 30 minutes in a fan-forced oven at 170 degrees, and the cake will need about an hour. Enjoy!